Well, thanks for staying until the very end. It's time for the closing remarks. And so as we're all used to to-do list, that's what we've accomplished today. We've heard 2 great keynotes, 6 paper talks, 4 highlight talks, 6 poster presentations. We had interesting discussions and attendance was great. And what we now need to do is we want to hand out the best paper award, and there's also best poster award. And after that, right after this session, there will be the poster session coming up with 36 posters. So you only saw 6 highlights of them. And now I give over the word to Michel, who's going to present the best paper.
Yes, thank you, Mark. So as you know, we had 10 submitted papers, of which we selected 6 for publication in BMC Bioinformatics. And from these 6, we made a subset which we sent to a very anonymous and secret committee who made a decision on which was the best paper. So I'm hoping that this person who is winning this best paper is still in the room, but I looked around and I don't think he's still here. But anyway, I will move forward. Is this all?
Just to keep.
Okay, old-fashioned way. So the best paper award goes to Henry Ebbele, who gave this presentation earlier today. It's about CellNetVis, a web tool for visualization of... He's here. Excellent. Come forward, please. For visualization... So for visualization of biological networks using force-directed layout constrained by cellular components, please come on the stage. So I will read some words from the committee before I hand over the award to you. I have to look into my notes. 1 second. No, the wrong application. So I will read the comment of the Best Poster Award Committee to you. So CellNetVis is a web-based visualization tool for interaction networks where nodes are placed according to cellular compartments. And the committee appreciated how the technique integrates functional characteristics with spatial arrangements of components within a cell. And while they thought the visualization may need some improvement in terms of readability and design, the real value is in the way that you consider functional and structural properties of cells to generate the visuals and the way how you approached the whole problem. So given the scope of BioVis, this is a very good example how visualization can draw information from existing biological understanding to generate visualization solutions that help unravel complex biological structures and processes. So though your tool is currently limited in usage since it's linked to specific databases which are maybe somewhat restricted and not widely used, we all saw that there is a big potential for data integration using other sources such as string or PPI databases. So finally, the fact that the solution is web-based and open source is also positive, and it can offer the possibility for future extensions. So these were the words of the Best Paper Award Committee. So with that, I would like to congratulate you. Congratulations. Here's the award. Yes, there is another photographer, the professional one. Okay, thank you. So there is not only this certificate, but there is also a €200 award in cash or by transfer. That's a bit unclear yet, but anyway, it's €200 to do nice things with. So once again, congratulations.
Okay. Thank you, Michel. So that's the best paper award. We also have a best poster award, which is to be determined, which means we're going to have the poster session, and we didn't want to judge the posters just by the abstract. That's why we have poster judges running around, no worries, to keep you motivated during the poster presentations. And then we will just, the poster judges will come to a decision and approach the poster, the best poster, and you will also get an award and some money, I guess. Okay, what's next? So there will be BioVis co-located with IEEE VIS 2017 in Phoenix. We will have a BioVis Challenges workshop. We never did that before, but I'm sure it gets really interesting, because what we have is we're starting with a kickoff keynote given by a biology expert presenting one particular problem. This year it will be Jeremy Warner from the Center for Precision Medicine at Vanderbilt University, and it will be, the challenge will be in the context of cancer genomics data. And then the audience will be split up into smaller groups and will work on solutions, approaches to sub-problems of this challenge, and then every group will report back, and that should also be a starting point for collaborations and for continued work on this sub-problems. So that's going to be a very interesting half-day event. And then you're all invited to contribute to the Dream Challenge. If you want to know more, just go to our website, BioVis.net. We also have a invitation only, unfortunately. Maybe you're invited already, that's great. Dagstuhl seminar on biological data visualization next year. And of course, if you want to get involved in helping to organize BioVis next year, we will be in Chicago again at ISMB, then let us know. It's great if you bring a Viz background, it's great if you bring a biology background or a bioinformatics background. Everything is, of course, very welcome. And Niels John O'Donoghue asked me to announce two separately organized events. There is the New York City Scientific Visualization Conference happening in New York City in October. And if you want to find out more, go to the Flatiron Institute website. And there will be the ninth version of VISB coming up in 2018 in March. And I've read on the slide, which is very nice, that BioVis award winners, so those of you who get the awards or who got the awards already, are invited to present their work there as well. And everyone is also invited to suggest speakers that should give a presentation there. If you know someone, just let the organizers know. And now I give the word to Niels, who is the chair of our BioVis steering committee, to have to address some final words to you.
Thank you, Mark. I kind of sent that tweet, and then I'm all done. It's my pleasure to be here for this. I have to have the last word, and I want to use these last words to thank people. So we had a wonderful organizing committee that put together this event this year under somewhat different circumstances. As you know, ISMB changed significantly between 2016 and 2017. And nonetheless, they didn't give up. They made this event today happen. And we're very excited about the large number of people who were in the room throughout the day. And so I want to give a big hand of applause to the organizing committee. Unfortunately, everyone can be here, but thank you very much. And I also want to extend my very special thanks to Jan Ertz, who you saw this morning when he opened the event. Jan served in various roles, more roles than I can remember right now, within the BioVis organizing committee in the last 6 or 7 years, and now is allowed to retire to the BioVis steering committee later this year, where he'll continue to help make these events happen. And Jan, thank you very much for your service to the BioVis community. And with that, I think it's, thank you. There's one question, actually. Sorry, now we're almost done. I almost sent you your way, but isn't there some questionnaire? Some survey? Okay. So as you see, they're still working hard on this. We will send out a tweet with the URL. It's on the website. It's already on the website. Please do us a favor, fill out the survey. It's very helpful for the organizers to get your feedback on what you liked about this event, what you didn't like. And as a big new item this year is we shortened the survey quite significantly. So if in the past you felt a little overwhelmed answering dozens of questions, it's much easier this year. So please do us a favor and tell us what you thought about this event today. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you over at the poster session later.